これは母乳ポンプのチュートリアルです。教育目的のみで作成されています。詳細については説明をお読みください。
必見、現役ママさんが教える搾乳のやり方。今回ご協力いただいたのはあかりママ。保育関係のお仕事終わりにご出演いただきました。使うのはビジョン手動搾乳機です。はじめに搾乳機のカップ部分を乳房に当てます。この時、カップの中心がバストトップの位置になるようにフィットさせるのがポイントです。次に、乳房を優しく刺激します。赤ちゃんの吸い始めのような優しく細かい吸引刺激を与えて自然な母乳分泌を促します。はじめは浅く握り、優しく刺激するのがポイントです。また、吸引しながら乳房をマッサージしましょう。こうすることで母乳の流れを促すことができます。最後に搾乳ステップです。ハンドルを握る力や速さを変えることで搾乳のペースを調整します。ちょうどいい力加減やペースが見つかったらしっかりと搾乳していきましょう。ちょっと痛いなという人は位置を調整してみてください。片方の乳房が終わったらもう片方の乳房も搾乳していきます。先ほどと同じ手順でゆっくり優しく搾乳していきましょう。
Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Classy News for latest news updates, health updates and every aspect from across the world. So today's news is about fizzy drinks. So what happens to your body when you consume fizzy drinks? Scientists found a new thing, so let's see what they found. The American Heart Association recommends limiting daily sugar intake to under 25 grams for women and 36 grams for men, and a single can of regular soda can easily surpass those limits. Yes, guys, it's true. Is any fast food meal truly complete with a chilled fizzy drink to wash it down? For many, the effervescence of a cold soda not only quenches thirst but also elevates the entire eating experience. Despite repeated warnings from parents and doctors about the health risks, there is a certain thrill in sneaking a sip of his bubbly indulgence. What do you think about this, guys? Do you really think that is true? What happens to your body when you drink fizzy beverages? So, Dr. Ekta Singhwal, dietitian at Ujala Cygnus Group of Hospitals, explains when we consume fizzy drinks, the carbonation releases carbon dioxide, creating a tingling sensation in the mouth and throat. As the carbon dioxide warms up in the stomach, it can lead to belching and in some cases, heartburn. So, I don't think it's good to consume fizzy drinks. What do you think, guys? Please comment now. And one more thing she added is the carbonation adds a fizzy sensation that intensify the experience and make it more satisfying. She also added that the ritual of drinking fizzy drinks, like the sound of opening a can create emotional connection and making people crave them even more. So guys, please be aware, stay away from fizzy drinks. Please subscribe to our channel for more news updates across the world. Our YouTube channel is Glassy News. Thanks for watching.